Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simple Short Smart. Today we are going to see how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel. So it is explained clearly, so watch the video till end. So let's catch up the video. Hi friends, today we are going to see how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. You can use this formula to bring details from one sheet to another within a second. So this is what I am going to show you. So just watch this video till the end, so it will be useful for you to understand the process completely and clearly. So we have two different sheets. In book 1 we have name, age and city, and under city there is no details. And in book 2, it means in second sheet, we have age, name and city, and under city we have Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, and details are been filled here. Means that the person with the name A is 21 years old and is living in Chennai. And in another sheet there is no details under city. So we need to bring the details of city from second sheet to sheet 1. And normally what others do is just they will be copying the name of the person and just go to the second sheet, and they used to use the Control plus F formula, which is called as find. Means that paste the name of the person and find all. So once they find, they will be finding the name, and they just used to go to the city column and copy it and paste in this sheet. So this is a time taken process, and if you're working for a sheet or you're working for a data which is having for more than 10,000 or 20,000 line items, you can't copy every time and paste and use this find formula, and you can't complete your work on time. So this is why we are going to use VLOOKUP. With the help of this VLOOKUP, it will be a perfect and excellent formula to bring the data from sheet 2 to sheet 1. So this is what we are going to learn now. So just go to the column E and just type is equal to and put VLOOKUP. So it is clearly done and the formula is displayed here. You can just click on the formula, or else you can press the tab option. So I am pressing the tab option and the formula is applied here. So I need to know what is the city of the person with name A. So I am clicking the A option. So this is what I am going to compare in this second sheet and bring the city details in the sheet 1. So I am going to click on the option A. So A is the name of a person. So this has been clicked and I have to press the comma option. So once you press this comma option, we need to go to the sheets where we have to bring the details. So I am going to the second sheet. In this sheet, the name is in the C column. So you need to be very careful. Whatever details you are going to have reference and going to compare, that should be in the first column, and that should be the reference for bringing the data from different sheet to the prime sheet. So I am clicking or selecting the first column as C, because here we have name and there we have name. So these both are common. So when there is a common detail, then only we will be able to apply this VLOOKUP formula, and also it will bring the data from the second sheet. If you are just making it in the B column, it will just not compare the details and you will not get the output of VLOOKUP. So A is there and A is also here. So we need to click the option C column. So C column is the first column, and you have to bring the city details from here to sheet 1. You need to select the right side option, and city is in the third C, means that it is in the third column from our selected column. So you need to press comma 3, and so the formula is utilized, and you have to press comma 0 and close the bracket and press enter. So once you press the enter, the A which is common in that sheet, that just uses the VLOOKUP formula and brings the city details in the sheet 1. So Chennai is brought out here. So this is one of the simplest process, and also for all these 12 details you are not required to do the VLOOKUP formula every time or in every cell. You can just go at the bottom of this cell and this symbol is shown, you can just click and drag it, so the entire formula gets applicable in entire cells. This is one of the best formula to bring details from one sheet to another sheet by having one single reference point. So you can use this formula to compare and bring any data from one sheet to another sheet with the help of VLOOKUP formula. Hope I understand you got some little knowledge about VLOOKUP. In future videos, I will be plotting some more details on Excel and it will be really useful for you. So kindly click on the subscribe button to get many more videos like this. If you found this video useful, please press like and share button and comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to press subscribe and bell icon, as it will be helping you to get notifications of our future videos. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.